In the 1970s, I was the president of the Reserve Officers Association, and I was assigned by the mayor of Allentown to represent the city in military affairs. We had formed this council in which we are an organization of organizations. We have approximately 150 organizations that are members. We are working with family support groups, directly with the military, with the VA, and many other organizations. We are working directly with Harrisburg for the veterans, and we provide in Armed Forces Week a parade, a dinner for the veterans, and also a concert.
I'm the founding president of the Blue Star Mothers Lehigh Valley chapter. With so many deployed in 2004 to Iraq and Afghanistan, I thought it was necessary for these women to have some place to go for help and support and to meet the needs of their families while their sons were deployed. Shortly after we founded our organization, the Dorothy and Dexter Baker Foundation decided that they wanted all military people to be able to keep in touch with home, and they started making grants to the LVMAC for phone cards for the deployed. Blue Star Mothers and me personally, we took over that project, and I can't begin to tell you how much it has meant to the deployed and their families to have that phone card in their back pocket.
Member organizations of LVMAC can use LVMAC as a way to get the word out about different events that they would like to host and invite families of deployed soldiers to. For example, in January of 2005, LVMAC was instrumental in providing a going-away party for the soldiers of Charlie Company 228th before they deployed. Later that month, the Blue Star Mothers hosted a fellowship breakfast for the families of those deployed troops to help connect them with each other. When it came time for the 228 to return home in June of 2006, LVMAC and the member organizations were instrumental in getting the word out so that the community could be involved in the homecoming, helping us to coordinate state and local police, and just generally through member organizations and press releases, enabling the families to enjoy the homecoming as much as the soldiers.
Our social and civic, our business, our elected leadership, our philanthropic and religious organizations have all joined together in an effort to encourage and care for those who serve our great country. The coordination by the Lehigh Valley Military Affairs Council and our community resources has resulted in some significant benefits to our local community. In these times of repeated deployments of our local National Guard and Reserve units, departure ceremonies and welcoming home celebrations are particularly important. Care and aid by the community to family members in distress while their loved ones are deployed is particularly important. From something as routine as helping with a transportation issue to giving aid and comfort to those 23 families who continue to grieve the loss of their loved one in Afghanistan and in Iraq. The Council is here to coordinate and to provide the assistance and support afforded by our community in partnership with all those organizations that have come forward to help in this effort. We thank them, we thank you, and we encourage you by your time, your talent, and your treasure to continue us help coordinate this support. Thanks again.